matapos ang mga impresibong laban dito sa Pinas at makuha pa ang WBA Asia Super Featherweight title at Philippine Games and Amusement Board Super Featherweight title kontra sa mga di-kalibring Pinoy boxer, ay lumipad ang Team Suarez sa bansang Vietnam para subukan ang galing, lakas at tibay ni Kabayan, ang undefeated Pinoy prospect na tubong San Isidro, Davao del Norte na si Charlie Suarez alias King's Warrior. Di basta-bastang boksingero ang kanyang mga kalaban dahil bukod sa malaki ito at champion din ay 6 na taon na din ito na undefeated sa nasabing larangan ng palakasan. Ito ay ang Indonesian na si Jeffrey Palulo alias DAZN Hammer. Paglalabanan nila ang bakanting IBF Asia Super Featherweight title. Nangyari ang laban noong December 10, 2022 lang, at bago ang laban, sa interview ay pinaghahandaan talaga umano ng Team Palulo ang laban. Posible daw na umabot sa desisyon ang bakbakan, pero plano daw talaga nila na di na papaabutin pa sa kamay ng mga hurado ang hatol ng laban nila. Inaasahan daw talaga ng kanilang kampo na knockout win para kay Jeffrey Palulo. Pero sa gabi ng laban, tulad ng inaasahan, ay talagang maaksyong suntukan ang pinamalas ng dalawa, pero ang inaasahan ng kampo ni Palulo na knockout win pabor sa kanilang pambato ay tila kabaliktaran ang nagiging resulta. Binaklas ng Pinoy na si Suarez ang 6 na taong walang talo ni Palulo. Di umubra ang pagiging malaki ng Indonesian, binasag lang ni Kabayan ang ilong ng kalaban at pinasuko ito sa bakbakan.
The unseen hammer introducing Jeffrey Palulu, introducing Private Charlie King's Warrior Suarez.
The energy in this arena is palpable. I can't wait for this fight. Charlie Suarez right now is my favorite fighter in the whole world. The best fighter from the Philippines. Predictions from the awarded TV team.
Wow, that's right.
Yeah, that is a great point, Alvin. This fight was actually scheduled to take place just before COVID emerged. It'll be very interesting to see these two guys finally engage in hostilities. Now, Charlie Suarez typically, I think out of his 13 fights, 6 personally, maybe a knockout and not even...
He's had some TKO.
Fast rising Filipino super featherweight.
Yeah, Wongabat's a beast. Perspective, how much prowess Charlie in 12 rounds, and I watched all of his...
Jeffrey Palulu has 25 wins, 14 of which are we gonna see the unseen hammer tonight?
Both of these guys, see who drew the first blood versus Charlie Suarez.
And if I name it one time in the Philippines against AJ Banal.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, you're trying to...
Just your memory.
Yeah, it's news to me they even fought.
Exactly. Also faced
Really stamped the definitive illustration mark on the fight. Round number 1 in the books, pretty close.
That must look out is the very devastating counter right by Jeffrey Palulu.
right. It's surprising to me actually that
Yeah, Jeffrey Palulu staying crouched, being compact. Fighters very sensible with high hands.
the right, but just enough actually to avoid.
Although we're only 1 minute into the second round, Charlie Suarez's punch count has suddenly really increased. I think one of his keys to victory, which he always does in fights, is generate serious momentum, and the opponents typically can't manage the punches, the angles, and the footwork. As we see now, Charlie Suarez has...
He's trying with close at distance right now. But like I said, the counter right is very little.
Beautifully timed lead right hand there by Suarez as the unseen hammer walks in. Suarez letting go with a couple of combinations.
gain that momentum because once he's got it, he's unstoppable.
Totally. The door closes if you let Charlie Suarez mount a serious offense.
He has no power at all.
I saw this report.
Right.
It's funny, the Indonesians very confident that
Exactly.
Charlie Suarez is a good fighter, but I think they rate him as a little bit of an amateur, one-trick pony.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be interesting. interesting to see how Jeffrey Palulu rather deals with Charlie Suarez's power, which we're going to see.
Right.
So see there a nice little left uppercut straight right hand by Suarez.
Palulu staying patient.
There's a hard right hook again, Alvin by Palulu, narrowly misses. Suarez shepherds Jeffrey Palulu back into the ropes. This is where Jeffrey doesn't want to be. The unseen hammer, though, with his hands high, catches all those punches. Good defense thus far from both fighters.
And
Round number 2 over.
When you're in front of Charlie Suarez, you
Yes.
have to figure it out. And at the same time, Charlie.
Oh,
Just when I was.
What?
What just happened?
I think referee waved it off.
Some sort of, the referee waved it off, but I wonder why.
Ladies and gentlemen, this contest has now come to a halt due to our fighter
Maybe
in the blue corner.
that looks
Jeffrey
like
Palulu
on the
being
right hand side of
visually
his
impaired
nose.
due to one of the shots that he took in the earlier
Visually
rounds.
impaired.
Is that a result that we like?
Wow.
It's an early. I would have wanted this to go further, but it seems as though.
You know, eye injuries is very,
Right.
very dangerous.
The Grand Outram, Mr. Walt Power, on behalf of VS Promotions.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.